Our downtime now to replace the belts probably 2 hours. On this plant here we're running conveyor belts and various shredders and trommels and eddy currents. Up in our sister plant in Craigmore, they do more or less the same as here. And then we have an hour plant in Mollusk. Well, if we had a conveyor ripped or tore and we had to get a replacement belt, we'd have had to ring whoever to come out. They'd have had to make the belt, vulcanise it, let it cool. Chris Jones has worked very closely with him over the last 10, 15 years. He started introducing the zip clips a couple of years ago to myself. We tried a couple of test belts.
So for us, the good thing was, we can guarantee the quality of the zip clip because it's manufactured in our factory. So we control that, and the RiverRidge, they can replace the belt whenever they feel it needs to be replaced. We went around and checked out the belts because our zip clip range was really developed for mobile crushing and screening, and it was probably a wee gem in the rough that we found that it was actually really suitable for static plant and recycling.
Smiley Monroes have always provided a good service. They know the importance of the recycling industry and how important it is to get us up and running as quick as they can. From their service teams right up, they've been very, very good.
The customers support me as much as I support them. They'll tell me what they need and we'll go away and have a look at what they R&D.
We're using the zip clips now on the overbar magnets as well, the stainless steel ones. They're fantastic.
When you bring a specialised team in, they usually takes all day to fit it, maybe 8 hours, and then they have someone, especially if they do it cold, you might have an hour, 12 hours, 24 hours curing time. Well, that's took all out of the picture.
We can put the clip on now within half an hour, whereas if you had a vulcanised belt on the overbar magnets, you could be down 10, 12 hours by the time you had it done. We keep the belts in stock because it minimises our downtime. The Smiley Monroes come out and done a survey of our plant, and they measured all the belts. All our conveyors have all belt numbers on them. So if we have a belt that breaks, we take one out of our own stock, we fit it, we ring Smiley Monroes, give them the belt number, and they make us a new one. With the zip clip attached, if we ever have a belt that breaks, we take one out of our own store. It was a no-brainer on the RiverRidge side of the business. We don't have scaffolders to bring in, so there's a lot of safety benefits towards it.
The beauty of zip clip for me is safer for the guys working, easier fitted. You don't have to plan a specialised team coming in.
We don't have issues with a zip clip belt on the recycling. It's durable. It doesn't give any problems as far as I can see. Every bit as good as a joint. Think nothing of it. Put a zip clip on.